battery replacement for the RJ45 and RJ11 network cable tester, and this is how we do it. Come, let me show you right away. Now this is our network cable tester, and we would like to replace this battery because initially it's supposed to be lighting to show that it's powered. So if I power it on like this, there is no light. Initially it's supposed to emit light here to show that it has the battery is not drained. So in this case the battery is drained, and we would like to replace it with a new one, which is this one here. And right away we can just turn the tester, and at the back here there is a cover which we need to first open, and you open it by sliding it to where this arrow is showing you. And in this case I will just slide it with some little energy to this other my side here. So this is the battery which is faulty and drained, and we would like to replace it with a new one which is here. So gently we can remove the battery just like this. So on the mark there is a positive side, and then the other side there is a negative side representing the negative terminal and the positive terminal this side. So gently you open the node. Oops. Get it out just like this. So this is the terminals. These are the terminals, and as you see them, so this is the faulty one which you need to replace with this other new one. Still using the same logic, the positive side is this side and the negative side is on the negative, and the negative terminal is on the negative side. So always the negative terminal is the one having a bigger node, and the smaller node is the positive terminal. So we need to get this connector here and connect it according to the sizes. So gently connect the node. Once you're done connecting, you can just flip it into the sitting area and press it. Then get our cover back and slide it gently into the connector. So now we need to first test and see whether this that we have replaced can give us, or rather emit light. You see that blinking light? That is a sign to show that the battery is functional. And we just need to turn this off using this switch, off and then on, to emit the light. And that's it for this video. That's how you can replace the battery for this network RJ45 RJ11 cable tester. See you in the next video. Cheers.